Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will give you instructions on how to use our Facebook form farm automation software, Facebook Farming Blue version, to like, follow, and interact with Facebook pages automatically. First of all, please refer to the video Facebook Form Farm Automation Software, General Settings, what Reels, what Videos, what Stories, from the second 19 to the minute 17.5, to watch the tutorial on how to buy, download, install the software, and set up the basic settings, as well as choose the Facebook accounts that you want to use. Now we start with like and follow pages. Click on this option at Action Session, then click on this icon. The like and follow page will appear. At the like time session, you enter the number of seconds that you want the bot to rest after liking and following each imported page. For example, if I put 10 and 20 here, the bot will randomly rest for 10 to 20 seconds after liking and following each page. Next, you tick on like pay option here if you want to like pay. Otherwise, if you don't want to like pay, you untick this box. In this video, I will like page. Similarly, if you want to follow the page, you tick on follow the pay option. If you don't want to follow the page, you do not click on this option. In this video, I will follow the page too. Click on follow the page. Next, you enter the full URL or the link of Facebook page you want to like and follow into this page link list box. Each link is on one line. For example, this is the Facebook page that I want to increase likes and followers. At this time, it had 366 followers as well as 373 likes. Copy this link. You paste the copy link here. Similarly, you can enter multiple links here. Each link is on one line. However, to check the likes increase, I will enter one link only. Then click Add. You can click on Start button to run this feature. In this video, I will set up the second feature, then run two features at the same time. Next, go to Interact with Facebook page feature. You click on this bar at Action Session, then click on this icon. The Interact with Facebook pages dialog box will appear. At number of pages session, you enter the number of pages you want to interact with each chosen Facebook account. For example, if you put 3 to 5 here, for each chosen Facebook account, the bot will randomly interact with 3 to 5 pages. Next, in page link list box, you enter the URL or the link of Facebook pages you want to interact. For example, this is the page that I want to interact. Copy this link, then paste it into page link list box. Similarly, you can enter multiple links here. Each link is on one line. Next, come to Interaction Settings per Page Configuration. At Total Time Session, you enter the number of seconds you want the bot to interact with each imported page here. For example, if I enter 3 to 6, the bots will randomly interact with each page in 3 to 6 seconds. Next, if you want to like the imported page, you click on like. Then you enter the number of likes you want to add for each page. For example, I enter 5 to 10 here. The bot will randomly add 5 to 10 likes to each imported page. In case you do not want to like page, you do not click on like. Next, if you want to share the pages to your newsfeed, you click on share to feed. Then you enter the number of shares you want to perform with each imported page. For example, I enter 3 to 5. With each imported page here, the bot will randomly share 3 to 5 times to newsfeed. In case you don't want to share to feed, you do not click on this section. Next, if you want to comment on imported pages, you click on comment. Then you enter the comment you want to perform with each imported pages. For example, if I put 5 to 10 here, the bots will randomly add 5 to 10 comments for each page. Then in comment content box, you choose one of two choices. At option sections, if you want to comment with one line content, you choose the content is only one line, then enter the content comment here. For example, these are the comment content that I want to use. Each content is on one line. In case you want to comment with multiple lines, you choose the content has multiple lines at option section here. Then you use the vertical bar to separate the content. For example, if you put the content like this, the bot will comment with two content. This is the first content and this is the second one. Moreover, you can use Bing text format to enter content here. For example, if you put the content with Bing text format like this, the bot will comment with three content. We like it, we love it, and we are big fans of it. In case you use Bing text format, you do not need to choose any choice at option section. If you do not want to comment on Facebook page, you do not click on comment box. After set up these sections, you click add. Finally, you click start button here to run the software. Back to the Facebook page that I imported to increase likes and followers. Reload this page. Then you can see the likes has been increased to 399 and the follower has been increased to 392. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to use our Facebook form farm automation software, Facebook Farming Brew version, to like, follow, and interact with Facebook pages automatically. You can visit our website qnibot.com to see other useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.